Hello, this is Jeff, the Day Trade Mechanic. It is Wednesday, September 28th, 2022. Up on the screen, I have a daily chart of the spiders. And as you can see, the last several weeks has been pretty bad for the spiders in the market in general. And this morning, I decided I wanted to play a short-term bounce. I think we could bounce a little bit, and I wanted to play it and see if I could get a little base hit or steal a base, if you will. But I didn't want to play the spiders. I didn't want to play a $360 product. So instead, I decided I would play UPRO. UPRO is a triple leveraged product that mimics the S&P 500, but it is far less expensive than the spiders or the ES futures. So I've got the chart up to the end of the day on September 27th. Anyhow, this morning, right off the bat, I bought 100 shares of UPRO at $30 even. And I turned around and I wrote a covered call, or I did a buy right. I sold the $32 strike. That expires Friday, September 30th. I got 55 cents for doing that. So let's bring the chart forward to today's close, and we'll kind of zoom in here. And you can see that the market's had a pretty doggone good day today. As a matter of fact, the high of the day in UPRO was over $32. So let's bring in a different chart here real quick. And this is actually my position. I do have 100 shares, and I have an unrealized profit of $168. And let's bring up the option chain here. And this is my position. I wrote this $32 call this morning, and I actually got 55 cents for it. And you can see it closed well above 55 cents. But when I was filled on my call sale, UPRO was trading $30.58 a share. So I know I was filled on this within the first hour of the day this morning, and this is only going to be a 3-day hold. So ideally, Friday, UPRO will close over $32. I'll get called away. I'll take my 2 points on the stock, and of course, I'll pocket my $55 call premium, and it'll be just a very nice short-term trade. So we'll bring in the calculator here. So best case scenario, we close over $32 Friday. So I would be forced to sell at 32. I paid $30 for the stock. That's $200 or 2 points plus the call premium. So that's a gross profit of $255. If we divide that by the money invested, that's a really nice 8.5% profit in 3 days. Now, if any of you guys can tell me what that would be analyzed, just put it in the comments below. So that's the trade. My thought process was, let's see if we can play a very short-term bounce, try for just a small gain in the shares, take a little bit of money on a call option. And after this closes on Friday, I'll put an update in the description as to how it played out. Of course, if the UPRO closes underneath $32 and I keep my shares, I'll keep writing calls on this for as long as I can, and hopefully we'll be able to write calls, $33, $34, $35 and higher. So that's all for this video. I thank you for watching. This is Jeff, the Day Trade Mechanic. We'll see you next time.